Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be discussing about coal crisis. Why suddenly India is facing such coal crisis? So let's discuss and go deep into the topic and get a brief idea with the amid rising in power demand following with the COVID-19 situation, India facing a severe shortage of coal on domestic front. With rising power demands in domestic sector, India utilities are facing severe shortage of coal. Even India, as the largest coal producer, has announced to increase the supply to meet the domestic demand. Many coal power plants have a few days of stock left with them, which is unlikely to meet in a short time. So, mainly India and China, the two largest consumers of thermal coal globally. We cannot imagine ourselves without light. So this is not only happening in India, but China and Europe also faces this situation. 60% of electricity runs on coal only. Because of the demand of coal in India, the imports of coal has been done on a wide basis. We are importing coal from Indonesia, Australia and Africa and other nations also. So, there are only 135 thermal power plants in the country. But these power plants keep a stock of 15 to 30 days ideally with them. But now, as per the data, 70 out of 135 Indian thermal power coal plants had stock categorized as super critical, less than 4 days of coal and has been left. So, and again, coming back to the point, 17 plants have no storage of coal left, means 300 to 400 millions of import has been done for the coal. Why the coal crisis has taken place? Let's go brief into it. Earlier, the coal cost was only $45 and now it has rapidly increased till $125. So the cost has been increased rapidly. Why such sudden increase in the cost of the coal? This point towards China. As in China, winter months are just begun and many areas are facing severe power outages. As the government of China cannot afford itself to let it run without power for so long time, so it is buying coal at whatever price they can globally get. So this affects global economy also. The coal India reduced their profit margins and thought it would help them, but this would also not being helping them. So they waited for the price to go down and nothing such happened, and it's a severe major problem. The second major reason was heavy rainfall. As in month of September there were heavy rains, so coal mines were flooded and this has impact our domestic coal production and all the coal mines were drastically devastated. The third major reason for this is that Indian power sectors. Coal Indian former secretary explained there had done fault on their side also. India does not have enough money to get new mines opened or to be released or to be mined. They do not have money and still they need to pay 20,000 crores to the Coal India and also need to pay huge amount to the distributing companies. This all happened due to lack of planning. The last major reason is also that there is a sudden rise in the demand. In last year, due to COVID-19, offices were closed and electricity demand is in control. As we are opening day by day and we are going back to our original lives, the economy consumption has been increased drastically. 20% has been increase of electricity usage from the last year. So around and also 3 crore houses has got their first current by the government policies. So due to the rise in demand, there is a good sign for economy, but we are not prepared. So it is a big disaster. So we need to tackle this situation also. As the coal crisis has been increased, the Punjab government has come up with the new decision that they will announce power cut for 3 hours till 31st of October and operate their coal power plants for only 50%. So other states like Rajasthan is also going with the power cut for 1 hour in a day, and Kerala is facing reduction of 15% of their power requirements. So this was the information only for few states. Coming to the some more states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Delhi, they may also have power crisis. So if you are not living in those places, you may be happy. But how much time you can be happy? You may also face the same problem. So we need to find some solution. So let's go and know more about this. Now the time has come to replace this coal with some other resource. As coal resource takes lots of process to be, it means it to be mined first and it to be transported in ships and trucks. So this process is not much entertaining to us, and it is also not eco-friendly because the burning of coal produces sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide. So these are harmful gases. Around every year, there are nearly 350,000 people die permanently during this mining process, as sometimes the coal mines may be collapsed and many miners and workers may have been losing their lives. And some other things like the mining process also releases some fumes which are very harmful for the health of the workers and all the people there living there and also people working for it. So these fumes be causing diseases like asthma and lung diseases also. Some people say that our temperature should not be raised by 2%. But if we still continue using this resource, the coal, our temperatures will be raised by 5%. So due to this country will be in a situation where it will be totally lose the control of their resources and their facilities. By this may be happen by the next 2050 year also. So, if the above situation continues in the same manner, there will be a rise in the sea level and more cities will be vanished from the map by the year 2050 as the new research given this information. So it also says that beautiful places like Gujarat, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, and many cities, and also including Maldives, where the celebrities like to celebrate their vacations. These all places will be also vanish from the map. So at the end of the day, we, the people of the earth, should be safe and maintaining our planet greenery is the utmost thing for us. So the current crisis is an opportunity for the country to cut off coal dependence and push ourselves towards renewable energy for long time, because we should not harm earth, because earth and the people on earth is like fish and water. They should not harm each other, they go hand in hand. So, let us discuss some better solution to avoid the dependence of coal and go for renewable and clean green energy. So, we need to use energies like solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, tidal energies, etc. So, reduction in the consumption of coal is a long term process and it cannot be achieved in one day. So, any immediate solution will comprise of increased decline of coal reservoirs. So, we can go for alternate usage of renewable energies like solar energy. As it is considered, solar energy can be promoted through subsidies and promotions, and in recent innovations, it had made it cost effective. to consider it as viable replacement of coal. The only drawback is that the alternative works only when the sun shines. So example of some solar energies is solar panels, solar cookers, but there is a disadvantages as discussed above. We can also use wind power through windmills and can also be harnessed to generate electricity. But much like here, like solar power, this solution also works in the presence of wind. And coming to the next, nuclear power can overcome these drawbacks as it produces energy through the process of nuclear fission. However, these plants operates at much larger capacity than coal or renewable energy resources. Operated power plants making the storage management of electricity produced difficult. All the options are clean as they produce no carbon dioxide but also need much more research to address their respective downsides. Another alternative could be waste to energy treatment plant using garbage, liquid waste to produce steam to generate electricity. India produces nearly 150,000 tons of solid waste per day, which is the third highest in the world. Of this waste, only 70% of it is collected and 20% of this is wasted. In this process, the remaining are dumped untreated on the landfills or burned, causing more air pollution. This waste can be used to produce electricity, but there are some. So I think we all understood the depth of the topic because we need to save our future generation and we need also to save ourselves. So we need to maintain a clean green earth. This must be happened by spreading awareness among ourselves. So I think you all have enjoyed today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.